Hello guys, and here today I'll be showing you how to reference stuff on Roblox Studio with script. So let's begin. Oops. So I'm gonna take my properties, explorer and everything to show you how it works. So if you click on view, add your explorer, properties and output. So this is the output of your game. The explorer is everything inside your game. And if we click on something, this is the property of whatever you clicked in the Explorer tab. So if we inserted a part into this part, we'll insert the script inside this part, and then by doing this you could go on to model and clicking part, and you could just scale it to whatever by clicking scale, and you can scale it and then move it. All those stuff. So I made like this little lobby area type thing. So if I was making a lobby and I wanted to do it quick, we could just do this, insert script into our part, and we could reference it by saying local part. So this basically means our local part is equal to script dot parent. So local part equals script dot parent means our local part is equal to script. So our script is inside our part. So if I explain this in detail, we could do part, and then down here we see we've got our parent and it's our workspace. But if we go down here to script, our parent is the part. So the part's child is script, if you know what I mean. So if I leave a line by pressing enter, well, I'm going to leave another line. But one more thing I have to tell you is, to make your game nice and organized, you could do two of them, and then you could just write reference. Well, actually, you could just do whatever. So I could just do locals and stuff like that. So I'm not going to do it because this is a very short script, but make sure you do it. So we could do part, not here, part. Well, let's name this, part, yeah. Part dot anchored is set to true. And we could do part, let's set the color, well, transparency actually. Transparency is equal to 0.5. So this means it's going to be transparent, 0.5, which is half. So you can like see through it. And anchored means that it will stand in that position unless in the script you tell it to move somewhere. And then we could wait 3 seconds, and then we could do a while loop. So while true do, and then if I click the enter button, we could have our loop. So we could just reference our part while doing part. So it's very easy and makes scripting a lot easier. So this is referencing / making a variable. So part dot color, not kick color, is set to color 3, which is the 3 main colors, dot from RGB, which is basically from red, green and blue. And then so the first one, so if we insert a value like 150, so it's going to be red. So in our properties we see we've got let's set it to really red, and then we've got our thing here. So our first one's red, and then it's green, and then it's blue. So it's 255 strength. So if we had this white again, then that made this really red by doing 255. And then make sure you do a comma, and then 0, 0. And then we could wait, let's say 3 seconds. Well, I forgot to add something, so let me just add wait 3 seconds. Make sure you add a wait on top. So I'm actually going to do wait 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds is basically the same thing. And then we could just copy paste these two. If Roblox will allow me to, thank you. By pressing Control C. And then misalign. Oops. This is why we've got our back arrow, and then we could keep copy pasting it, and we could set the color to, let's say 45, 6 to 35, and just random values. I'm gonna give them all. Well, you could go on our properties and then look which color you like. So 23. And let's set this one to 9, 0. So I'm doing this really quickly. Got to add a comma. And then you could do 7, 8, 2, 3, 5, and then 90, and you could do this one, whatever value you like. So at the end of value, we could add or wait 5 seconds, and then we could do print. So I usually tend got to add the end bracket. So I tend to usually add a print and then loop. Oops, I forgot to add our ball value. So this is basically the value that we put our number in. So we could just do loop finished, and then wait 0.5 seconds. If we don't do the wait, then Roblox is basically going to overheat, and it's going to say in our output tab, must have wait or something like that. So if we press run, it's going to start switching colors. Loop finished. Loop finished times by 2. Loop finished, so 3 times. So yeah, you could just copy paste the script. Or actually, one more thing I have to tell you in this video. Don't leave, because it's kind of important. We could add a script. Well, we could edit the script, and we could, let me just get in a bit closer like that. So we could also add another one. Well, not another local, my bad. But we could just quickly do one of these and then write. So this is this keeps your script organized. So this doesn't affect it, but it just keeps it organized and you know which section is which. It's like if you have a script which is like a long way down, like to like 1000, it's good to like label what everything is. So I call it a label. I don't know what it's called, but I just call it a label because it labels what it is. There's probably like a different meaning to it, but I just call it a label, and we could do loop. And we could quickly just add another one in here. So we could do part dot material is set to, and then we add our brackets and our ball value. We call it in scripting a ball value, and then we could call, well, we could go on part and we could find which material we like. So let's say we want it neon, so inside here we write neon. Make sure you spell it right, otherwise it's not going to work. And if I click stop, yes, I want to save it, and then click run, then it's going to switch to neon and it's anchored so it won't fall. And then looks like a disco party. Cool. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. It will help my channel out a lot. And yeah, see ya. Let me just delete all of this, but I'm gonna keep it because it looks cool. But yeah, officially it's a goodbye.